Here we are at Cheryl's chicken coop. Let's see what we got inside now. Of course, she's got it all decorated. Let's go inside and see what's cooking. Here's mommy chicken. Big mama chicken. There's her babies. She's got 6 of them.
Babies. Little babies. Look. Look. Food. Food.
This is day 1 of their lives. Trying to teach them how to eat and drink. They're just running around like little crazy chickens.
She's scratching already on the ground. This one's Miss Noisy.
Yeah, the black one's the one you can hear making all the chirps. There he goes.
Oh, he's looking in.
He's a curious one too. Oop. 1 day old. Delivered in the mail today.
Oh, we have to bring down their little thing. They'll be able to walk their plank. I thought they wouldn't be able to.
Yeah.
Where'd the other one go? Big male.
He's all the way over there. Come on over here. Oh, there's 2 of them over there. Picking at the green stuff. Come on, you guys.
Hey. You're so cute.
See if I can keep from stepping on them.
Oh, you know what? I bet you this is the cochin. The cochin that has all the pretty feathers.
I make a move and they follow me.
He said, "Where's our mommy?
There
Who's
you
our
go.
mommy? Oh,
Says,
look at the
"Hey."
wings."
He says, I'm going after that guy. Whoop!
That's your sister. We expect you to lay lots of eggs. We want you laying lots of eggs.
We are at Cheryl's Pink Poulet Palace. Here's the inside of their little house. I'll have to get some light in there.
Yeah, I brought the